Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yesi, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be playing with the Milani Gilded Flora palette, which looks like this. Look at this baby. So pretty. Let me take this plastic. So this is what the palette looks like. Look how beautiful are all these colors. They're so perfect for spring. And I am so excited for the spring weather. I mean, honestly, it doesn't feel like it, but I'm so excited for the warm weather. So that's what we're going to be playing with today. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Alrighty. So today we're playing with the Milani Gilded Flora palette, and we're gonna create something fun, something springy. I'm so excited for the warm weather. I'm so done with the winter. So yeah. So yeah. That's what we're gonna be doing today. Okay, I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing, but we'll see. I do want to play with the yellow, maybe the pink and the purple. I think I want to incorporate those three colors. They look so beautiful. And I don't know what it is, but I've been so attracted to yellow colors. I don't know. So that's what we're going to be using today, the yellow color. So yeah. So far I have my eyebrows done. They're outlined with the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and they're filled in with the brow powder in Ebony. I also primed the lids with the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre, and I kind of set that lightly with my translucent powder. So that's all I have going on the eyes. And now I'm going to start creating magic. No, but we're gonna get into it. So let's see. I want to start with the yellow, which is called What's Up Buttercup. So this yellow right here I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna apply that. It's a matte also. I'm gonna grab that color and apply it all over the inner part of the eye. So let's see, I'm also going to be using my Morphe x Mickey and Friends MM1 brush. It's a really small shader brush, and as you can see, it has some yellow on it. So we're just going to go ahead and apply this to the inner part of the crease. It's a bit powdery, and you're going to have to build that color because it's really soft. Put that color too high up. Okay, so that's where I'm going to apply that yellow. I'm going to grab another brush, which is going to be the Morphe x Lucky Charms brush. It's the LC1. It's basically a shader brush. And I'm going to use this to apply the pink color, which is called My Pretty Peony, which is this color right here. And I'm going to apply that to the middle part of the lid. And they seem very powdery. So let's see how pigmented this color is. So it has more pigment, but you're still gonna have to build them up if you want some intensity. So for now, I'm okay with that. Like I said, these colors are pretty light. And it does have a lot of kickback, so I don't know. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go in with a Motives brush. It doesn't have a name on it. Oh, wait, hold on. It has an eyeshadow brush. Yeah, it has eyeshadow. No number, no nothing. But it's basically a shader brush, and it's a little fat shader brush. And I'm gonna go in with Lavender Fields, which is this color right here, this matte purple. And I'm gonna apply that to the outer part of the crease. So right here. I'm gonna bring that into that pink as well. I'm gonna grab another brush. I'm gonna grab my Morphe M433 brush. And I'm gonna grab, again, that lavender color, Lavender Fields. And I'm going to just add it to this inner part of the crease. And don't worry if the top of it looks choppy, because I'm gonna blend that. So these are really pretty colors, but they're really light. So you're gonna have to work with these eyeshadows because they're so light. And you're gonna have to build them up. So don't feel discouraged. These colors are really powdery. So if you don't like that, this might not be the palette for you. I'm just gonna turn it over and grab that My Pretty Peony and help it blend up here. Well, I like how this looks. It's soft. It's alright. I mean, it's spring. We want something soft and fresh and springy, so I'm okay with this. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other eye, and then I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I just finished this eye, and this is what I have going on so far. So as you can see, I do have fallout, and it's pretty bad fallout. But again, to me, that's not a problem, just because I always do my eyes before my face. So, I mean, that's something for you to think about when purchasing this palette. That's completely up to you. So now I am going to add a liner, lashes, finish the complexion, and then I'll be right back with the final results. So stay tuned. And I'm back. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? I think it looks really pretty. It's playful. It screams spring. I really like the eye look I created. It's nice and soft. So let's talk about the palette. So again, I used the Milani Gilded Flora palette. And this palette I think retails for $12.99, $13.99, definitely $15 and under. It was very inexpensive, and I bought mine from Walmart. I was just so very attracted to all these colors. They call spring to me, and they're really nice. And now I'm speaking only about the mattes, because I used three mattes, and they're very powdery. They're very powdery, and you most definitely have to show them some love and work with them, because they're not really pigmented, and so you have to go in and you know, pile on the color. You definitely have to, yeah. So yeah, these colors are not really pigmented. You do have to work with them, and you do have to apply layers and layers and layers of the color in order for it to pop a little bit, just like now. But I mean, you can definitely get a look from this palette. I gotta play with the shimmers, but the mattes, for sure, you have to layer them in order to get some sort of payoff, color payoff. But not a bad palette, and like I said, it was very inexpensive. So I would definitely recommend it, even though you know, there's other affordable makeup brands that you can also get a look with this, like ColourPop or BH Cosmetics. You know, those are two of my favorite affordable brands. I mean, they do have a lot of colorful eyeshadow palettes, so I don't know. I mean, most definitely, like I said, you are able to create a look with this, but let me just warn you now, they're very powdery. They have a lot of kickback, and you kind of have to work with the mattes. Not sure of the shimmers because I didn't try them in this look, but as you can see, like, you know, I did this look. It looks so springy, and I really like it. I enjoy it. I'm about to go grocery shopping, so and I'm going out like this. I love it. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's look, and like always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.